welcome to my morning routine video. This is my typical morning routine before work in my New York City studio apartment. For reference, I work from home because of COVID, and I have a typical 9-to-5 job in digital marketing. Okay, so the first thing I do is wake up. I set an alarm for 7:30 a.m. and I keep hitting snooze until about 8:30 a.m. I will check my Instagram and a few other apps just to wake up my brain a little bit. And then I finally get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I start with my morning skincare routine. I use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser because it's super gentle and it doesn't dry out my skin. Then I do a rose water spray. This one is the Beauty Elixir from Claudelaire, and it has an essence of mint in it, which just wakes up my pores and makes me feel alive. I then apply a serum. Most of the time, I mix my Glossier Super Bounce and Super Glow, which are a hyaluronic acid for moisturizing and then a vitamin C for evening the skin tone. I like to let my serum sit for a bit, so while I'm doing that, I'll brush my teeth. I use the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean in Pink, and I like Crest toothpaste with baking soda and peroxide. Then for my lips, I use the Glossier Balm.com, and I also actually apply this to my cuticles as well because it's great as a cuticle oil. For moisturizer in the day, I like to use the Embryolisse Late Cream Concentrate. And then the last step is sunscreen, and I've been using the Centella and unscented sunscreen. After that, I'll brush my hair, try to make myself look a little bit more alive. I've also been using this scalp massager to stimulate hair growth. And then actually on a typical work day these days, I don't put on makeup. I just don't turn on my Zoom camera on most days, and I'm just using this time in quarantine to give my skin a break. And then I go grab my water. I always do this every single morning. I keep a water next to my bed at night, which allows it to get room temperature overnight, and I chug as much water as I can the next morning. Then for breakfast, I pretty much always make a smoothie, and here is my typical recipe. So I do frozen bananas because they give such a perfect texture and really just sweeten everything up. I'll also put in some almond milk. I usually put in collagen powder and protein powder, but I'm out of both, so just pretend that I put those in. I'll also sometimes add in chia seeds for some fiber and protein, then frozen strawberries, blueberries, and either raspberries or frozen mango. Then if I have spinach, I'll throw some in as well, just because you can't taste it without the fruit. And I blend it up under my desk, as you guys know, because I have a limited number of outlets in this apartment. Then at this point, I'll go pick out an outfit for the day. I always go for something comfortable since it's literally just me alone sitting here all day. It's also usually really hot in my apartment, so I'll put on shorts and a top. By about 9 o'clock a.m., now it's time to do work. So I'll go to my desk, I'll turn on my laptop, I'll open up my Slack and my emails, and I'll sip my smoothie while I'm doing that and just get started with the work day. Then once I've been drinking my smoothie for a bit and I have some food in my stomach, I'll take my vitamins for the day, which are these hair gummies, which have vitamin B12 and biotin for my hair, so I take 2 of them. And then I also have been taking this liquid vitamin D supplement that I drop under my tongue. And I'll also dry brush my body, which is great, especially in the winter, to exfoliate dry skin and increase blood circulation and prevent cellulite. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I would have loved to say that I have time to stretch and do a workout and go for a walk, but this is honest to goodness all that I do. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the Fashion Squirrel. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye.